you can actually go viral on any social media platform without posting a content. I guess you have come across a comment like this that actually grab your attention because it looks unique and stylish. What if I you can actually create the same eye-catching comments in just a few seconds without installing any app or having a design skills. In this video, I will show you a free website that lets you copy and paste attractive comments for your TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or any social media platform you want to make a comment and go viral. Make sure you watch this video till the end because I will also show you how to use it correctly so that your comments can stand out wherever you post them. Now, without wasting time, let's get started. Just go to your browser and search for this website called Text Art. Yes. Now, tap on Search and select this second website, which is Text Art. Copy and paste. Now tap on this, the one with the emoji combos. Just tap on it. Now, as soon as you tap on the website, you access the website. This is the homepage you will see. These are the type of comments that are available for you to copy and paste on any social media or any video you want to comment on social media or any comments you want to comment on social media. Yes. Now, this is one of the comments. Yes. Now, this is another one. Now, if you want to use this I love you with all the percentage, just tap on copy and go to the particular video you want to make the comment on. Let's just say you want to use this audio 30 seconds and comment on a post. Now, just select it, copy. Yes, I just copied it and go to the particular post you want to make comment on. Yes, now just tap on comment and tap on the typing space and select it. Now, tap on send. As you can see, look at it below here. We just made a comment just now with an audio of 30 seconds. You will see it, you thought that it's an audio, it's not actually audio. These are some of the attractive comments you can actually get from this website. Yes, let's go back to the website and see some of the interesting comments that's available for you to copy. Yes, now go down. This is an art drawing. This is a love heart. Actually, I can call this out. This is a flower. You can also copy this flower. Let's just copy it and go and use it as a comment. Now, let's just tap on copied and comments using this flower. Tap on send. Now, as you can see, tap on more. This is your comments. This is your comments just now. Yes. After watching this video, I will not tell you to subscribe on this channel because the video contains information that made you to watch the video. So you just need to subscribe to this channel so that you can stay alert for more learning videos like this. Now, thank you for watching and see you on the next one.